NIO's sub-brand Ledo has just unveiled its flagship model, the L90, a large three-row all-electric SUV with a starting price of 279,900 yen. You might wonder, how can a new brand compete at this price point against established giants like Toyota Highlander and Li Auto L9? Let me tell you, after attending a 3-hour technical launch event, I was genuinely stunned. The L90 addresses two of the biggest pain points for large three-row SUV users: insufficient space and range anxiety. If you're considering a large three-row SUV or are curious about China's advancements in EV technology, this video is a must-watch. I'll provide an objective analysis to help you decide whether this vehicle is worth buying. Welcome back to Volt China. First, let's get to know the Ledo brand. Ledo was launched by NIO on May 15, 2024, International Family Day, as a sub-brand targeting high-quality family users. From its positioning, Ledo aims to cater to users who need spacious interiors and prioritize family travel experiences. One of the L90's standout features is its 240-liter front trunk, which automatically lifts with just 2 light taps. While some may see this as just extra storage, the underlying technology is impressive. To achieve this, the Ledo team implemented 36 highly integrated system designs, including a 900-volt high-voltage pure electric architecture, custom-designed 900-volt induction front motor with a more compact structure, a cooling module with a 30.5-degree steep tilt arrangement. This front trunk can fit 2 20-inch suitcases and a child's suitcase. More importantly, it solves real-world usage challenges. For instance, when parking spaces are too narrow for a shopping cart to reach the rear trunk, the front trunk allows you to load groceries directly from the car's front. Practical for everyday use. The L90 rear-wheel drive version weighs only 2,250 kilograms, while the all-wheel drive version is 2,360 kilograms, an impressive feat for a large three-row SUV. Comparable models typically weigh 200 to 300 kilograms more. How was this lightweight design achieved? A lightweight coefficient of 2.12 and a white body weight of 433.8 kilograms. One-piece cast aluminum rear floorboard, reducing weight by 11.7 kilograms. High-performance electric drive weighing just 79 kilograms, with a power density of 14 kilowatts per kilogram. A new ternary lithium battery pack, with an energy density of 193.2 watt-hours per kilogram. This lighter weight improves handling, reduces energy consumption, extends range, and enhances acceleration. The 300-kilogram difference translates to an additional 30 kilometers of range and 0.3 seconds faster acceleration. The L90's safety standards are impressive. Instead of adhering only to national requirements, it adopts even stricter testing protocols. Front collision speed increased from 50 kilometers per hour to 62 kilometers per hour, with energy up by 1.54 times. High-speed collision speed doubled, with energy reaching 3.9 times the national standard. High-speed side collision speed increased from 50 kilometers per hour to 80 kilometers per hour, with energy 3.1 times the national standard. In practical tests, the L90 endured extreme scenarios like high-speed collisions involving trucks, followed by an 8-meter drop and rollover. The passenger cabin, especially the third row, remained intact, proving its robust safety performance. The L90 is equipped with an industry-first, end-to-end AEB system. As of now, Ledo's AEB technology has helped users avoid 28,029 potential accidents. Compared to traditional AEB systems, it covers 6.7 times more scenarios. The L90 features a 4-screen layout, a 17.2-inch 3K central touchscreen, a 35-inch ARHUD, an 8-inch rear-row control screen, a 17.3-inch ceiling-mounted entertainment screen. This setup is exceptionally luxurious for a large 3-row SUV. The ceiling screen, designed with a 16:9 aspect ratio for optimal entertainment, showcases attention to detail, unlike the typical reuse of front-row screens. The car's AI assistant boasts 1,030 skills, with over 80 new vehicle control capabilities tailored for the L90. What's more, the assistant now has proactive thinking abilities, It precisely remembers the habits of up to 20 family members and friends, actively recommends suitable features, seamlessly operates across 3 cabin screens, offers smart guardian and exploration services. The L90's all-wheel drive version delivers a total power of 440 kilowatts, achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in 4.7 seconds, comparable to luxury V6 models. The rear-wheel drive version offers 340 kilowatts, with 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in 5.9 seconds, sufficient for daily use. In terms of energy consumption and range, the L90 achieves a class-leading 14.5 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers efficiency. This was accomplished through multi-dimensional optimizations. The standard 85 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides a CLTC range of 605 kilometers. Coupled with NIO's battery swapping network, it effectively resolves range anxiety. The L90 has made significant investments in health and environmental safety. Its seats and steering wheel use chromium-free soft Nappa leather, certified by OEKO-TEX for skin safety and hypoallergenic properties. The interior roof features ultra-fine 3-micron suede material, with 20 square meters of mother and baby-friendly materials, all meeting the highest certifications. The CN95 activated carbon filter achieves 97% filtration for 1-micron particles and 99.9% deactivation of common pathogenic bacteria, meeting 5-star interior health standards. The L90 incorporates NIO's decade-long 4D comfort navigation technology. Sensors detect road conditions and upload data to the cloud, allowing all NIO vehicles to share the database. This enables proactive suspension adjustments based on anticipated road conditions. Compared to camera-based pre-scanning technologies, cloud-based strategies adapt better to varying weather conditions. Addressing the challenge of maneuvering large vehicles, the L90 uses proprietary intelligent agile turning technology. By applying braking control to the inner wheels, it achieves a 5.7-meter ultra-small turning radius. This process is smooth and seamless, requiring no parking or rear-wheel steering. From a technical perspective, the L90 indeed resolves key pain points for large 3-row SUVs. Features like the 240-liter front trunk, ultra-low energy consumption, and excellent space utilization showcase genuine innovation. In terms of market competition, the L90's main rivals are models like the Li Auto L9 and OEKO M9. The L90's pure electric approach is more comprehensive, with higher technological content. However, market acceptance remains to be seen. At a starting price of 279,900 yen, the L90 is not cheap, but considering its technological innovations and configuration levels, it offers good value. The battery rental option, at 193,900 yen, further lowers the entry barrier. Overall, the Ledo L90 stands out as a high-tech large 3-row all-electric SUV, offering innovations in space utilization, lightweight design, and smart features. As a flagship product from a new brand, the L90 still needs to prove itself in the market. No matter how advanced the technology, success ultimately depends on consumer acceptance. If you're in the market for a large 3-row SUV and have the budget, the L90 is worth considering, especially if you value tech features and innovative experiences. However, if brand influence and resale value are your priorities, you might want to wait and see. Families with multiple children, frequent long-distance travelers, or those who value intelligent features will find the L90's 240-liter front trunk and comprehensive smart configurations particularly appealing. On the other hand, budget-conscious or cautious buyers may need to evaluate more carefully. That's it for today's in-depth analysis of the L90. What do you think of this vehicle? Would you consider buying it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.